Hey guys, Tank here. I just received my T8S handheld remote control. This is a cool little device that helps you control your boats, your planes, your quads, even your RC cars. And there's something special I'm going to do with this, but we'll get back into that a little bit later. But for now, let's open up the box and see what comes inside of it. Okay, first real quick, let's have a look at the box and what it looks like. So you get the graphics of the controller in the front. At the side here, you have the barcodes for you to actually download the app and the actual user manuals. So you can actually download that from the web. And there you can see that you can put it on fixed wing, glider, multi-rotor, robots, cars, and boats. So it's pretty versatile. 2,000 meters, which means 2 kilometers. Android app. USB. It is Bluetooth, which is nice, and it is ergonomic, so that's kind of nice. So let's open it up and see how this thing is packaged together. So first thing we see is the manual. And we get the controller that's inside of it. So the manual is pretty well laid out. It does come with the R8SM receiver, which is for a flight controller, so to actually go directly to a flight controller. If you're going to use this on the ground, vehicles on the ground, you are going to need another receiver. And it does bind on a multiple of them, and we'll go through that on another video. But the manual is pretty well laid out. I've looked at it earlier, and it's pretty well detailed on the software and actually what it does. For the remote, we have the USB cable to charge it up. We have the receiver, and here's the receiver. R8SM8, R8SM, not SM8. And we also get a little spring and a controller, not a controller, a little arm. This is to actually enable both stick to be returned to center. This one is not, and this one is. So this one returns to center on the side, but up and down it does not. You have to install this little guy, and we'll go through that later also. What I find very interesting on this controller is that this has a wheel here, so you can adjust different things on it, and this is on channel 8. Channel 7 is actually a toggle, 3-way toggle chips, so that's interesting. Channel 5 is also a toggle, so a 3-position toggle switch. And channel 6 is actually a push button. So channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, channel 7, and channel 8. 8 channel on this little guy. Mind you, I have big hands. These are the trims for it. And you have the power button. So you hold the power button and it turns on. And then it gives you the battery reading on it. USB charging port. You cannot take the battery out. There's no way for you to take the battery out unless you open it up. But there's no need. You just charge it up via the USB port. I like the feeling of this. It's pretty neat. Let's get... Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was good for you, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see anything, just let me know, and I'll make sure I make a video of it.